So you have to see it now or never, because there is only now. If you say, well, tomorrow, the next day, maybe in another dozen lifetimes, I'll be ready. That means simply and solely, I don't want to be bothered with it now. I'm even not interested in it now, so I've got an excuse for putting it off.
Now then, we get to this. What we are aware of is a complex of vibrations, and we have been conditioned to call them graduatingly good vibrations. Whereas, as a matter of fact, they are nothing but vibrations. Good vibrations.
And that keeps things moving. That's the nature of life. Deep down, basic, whatever there is. And you're all that.